Like other places across the globe, Father's Day was celebrated in Diphu as well to acknowledge the work and sacrifices done by a father on their family. Likewise, on the special occasions of International Father's Day, Gospels on Crow, Managing Director of local media houses Karbi Anglong Live and the Drongo Express, observed and celebrated International Father's Day at his residence with his family in Diphu. Father's Day was first observed in the year 1910 on June 19 by a lady named Sonora Smartdot to acknowledge and honor her father, William Jackson Smart, and to all the male parents who had raised their children single-handed. A father is a person who put their children first, who never let their children sleep hungry at night, who works day and night tirelessly to bring all the required essentials material for their children. A father spends throughout his life working so hard for his children that he often forgets to live his own life. Therefore, it is our utmost priority that we take care of our fathers when he turns gray and old. So on these special occasions, Gospels on Crow, Managing Director of Karbi Anglong Live and Drongo Express, with his family celebrated Father's Day in his residence at Rongtheang, Diphu. They had honored their father, Ron Sing Crow, 81 years old, by presenting gifts as a token of love. They offered prayers to God seeking blessings for the well-being of their beloved father, Ron Sing Crow. News Text Report, Karbi Anglong Live.